So there may come a time while driving where you come to an intersection and the light is green, but you shouldn't enter the intersection. It could be in the distant future, or it could be tonight during rush hour. If you cannot clear an intersection, you are not supposed to enter that intersection. This is called blocking the box. And in many cities and states, this can get you a ticket. So here's a fun fact. When New York started cracking down on intersection blockers, they wrote out 6,500 tickets in a 3-day period, according to the New York Times. Here's a perfect example of this. Lots of people on the road, and I'm sitting in the left turn lane. The crossing traffic is backed up on the right, and when the light turns green, the people waiting on the left decide to go anyways and get stuck in the intersection right away. Now, no one can go anywhere because they blocked all lanes of traffic. If you see this every day, you know how frustrating it can be. This is bad, and you shouldn't do it. Again, if you can't clear the intersection, you shouldn't enter the intersection, no matter how many people are honking at you.